Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today in this video we are going to see another delicious Konkani recipe, tomato sour. To prepare this recipe, in a thick bottom vessel, add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and once the oil is hot enough, add 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, 2 teaspoons of jeera, half a teaspoon of methi seed, 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper, a small piece of tamarind, 2 to 3 dry red chili, and now saute them in low flame and cook until they turn aromatic. Once your roasted mixture is ready, allow this to cool down in room temperature before you further grind it. Next, in a mixer, add half a cup of grated coconut, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and the roasted masala into it, and little water, and grind until you get your fine ground masala paste ready. Make sure your ground masala paste is thick and not too watery. Next, add 1 cup of cooked tur dal into it. This tur dal we had washed and soaked it for about 10 to 15 minutes and later pressure cooked it for about 2 to 3 whistles in low to medium flame. Make sure to mash your tur dal well before adding it. Next, add 1 cup of tomato puree. To prepare the tomato puree, we have taken 2 medium-sized tomato and 1 cup of water and boiled it for about 10 minutes in high flame. Make sure to mash it well before adding it to our gravy. Next, add the previously prepared ground masala paste and mix everything well, and make sure to cook this in medium to high flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now add half a teaspoon of hing powder and salt as per taste and mix this well and allow it to cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. You can check the masala and salt at this point of time, and if required you can add dry red chili powder and mix well for extra spice. Next, to prepare the tempering, in a kadai add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and once the oil is heated add half teaspoon of mustard seed and half teaspoon of jeera and 2 to 3 dry red chili and a handful of curry leaf. Now add the prepared tempering to the sour, and now your delicious gravy is ready. This can be had as a side dish along with rice. So do try this simple recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.